Good morning, students. How are you? Hope everyone is fine. We are discussing the ninth chapter of civics, urban livelihood. In this chapter, we have discussed the meaning of urban livelihood and we have discussed the types of livelihood, in which we have discussed urban livelihood of street workers, self-employed business persons, factory workers. Today, I will tell you about the company area. A company has two types of workers. First is casual workers and second is permanent workers. Many people work for the private companies. Some of the private companies are quite big. Jobs in private companies have more or less similar benefits as in government jobs. Permanent workers versus casual workers. People who work as a permanent workers either for the government or for the private company usually get good salary and secure job. But casual workers do not get such type of facilities. In this video, I will tell you about the call center also. Working in call centers is a new form of employment in big cities. A call center is a centralized office that deals with problems and questions that customers have regarding goods purchased and services like banking, ticket, booking, etc. Call centers are generally set up as large rooms with work stations that include a computer, a telephone set, and supervisor station. India has become a major center not only for Indian companies but also foreign companies. They set up call centers here as they can get people who can speak English and will work for lower wages. Workers in organized centers. A majority of urban livelihood in India fall under this category of workers. People who work for the government are called the government servants. Some of them work for the central government while some others work for the state government. There are many levels in the government services. Officers make the top tier of the government servants. The officers are assisted by a huge number of clerks, peons, drivers, cooks, gardeners, etc. Make the bottom level of the government service. What are the benefits of government job? The job is in government service is permanent. This means that the worker is assured of retaining his or her job till the time of retirement. The workers get salary on a regular basis. They also get various other benefits apart from salary. What are these benefits? First, holidays. The government servants get holidays on national holidays and on important festivals. Sundays are the weekly off in most of the offices. Some offices have the provision of 5 working days. Saturdays and Sundays are off. Leaves. A government service can take leave in case of some urgent personal work. He can also take sick leave in case of falling sick. For specified number of leaves in a given year, the salary is not deducted. Then medical benefits. A government servant is entitled to medical benefits for him and his family members. Cost of treatment is paid by the government up to some specified amount. Retirement benefits. Apart from the salary is saved by the government every month, the money is utilized to save for the retirement benefits. Thus, we can see what type of jobs are there in cities, ranging from self-employing work on the street to working in big companies and corporate cities have the richest and the poorest people, and the gap in urban livelihood is shocking and unfortunate. Thank you.